Hi everyone, this is Garden Noob number 2. We found these planters. This one is like you hang it on your door, beside your door, and you put like the silks and stuff like that, dry, either dry flowers, one or the other in it, and it's decorative. I don't like doing that. I'd rather use live flowers. So I think we're going to plant this up and we're going to put it by our pedestrian gate. So the flowers that I'm thinking about putting in them is the red mums. And then this is polka dot. Not really sure, it's polka dot is what it's called. And then I may do we rooted some of the sweet potato vine, and I may do it on the sides to kind of hang down and to kind of help fill in any spots that's not there. And then we're going to use this in the front. It has a unique half flower. It's really pretty lavender, but the flower is only half, and honestly, I don't know what it's called. I just thought it was pretty. We've had it in a couple of our other planters. So I'm gonna get this planted up so that we can put it by our gate. The holes have already been pre-drilled. I've already put some dirt in here, and I'm just putting nutrients into the soil. My plate tone. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it on up. You want to try and leave some space so when you water it, the water just doesn't spill out of it. You want to try and keep some of the water in there, because this container being hung up, it's going to dry out quicker than your other containers because the wind will be around it and it's going to be full of sun. So I'm going to start with the red mum. Rough it up. Get some dirt around it. And then my tall planter, which as you can see is root bound. I think I'm going to be okay. It's got plenty of root that I can. Look at that. This is one of the plants that we'd gotten from a big box store. It looks like a little more dirt. And then on this side, I'm going to put the other mum. See, it has a nice root system. This should be able to fit right there. You want to make sure that it's in there. Kind of trickle some more soil. And it's just a quick, easy planter. It'll go up by our pedestrian gate.
I like it.